You know what time it is. It's the Oakley Arctic Challenge Time 2010. Did you know that ants can live up to 2 weeks underwater without drowning? Another thing you should know is that if you're planning on bringing your car, you will find it very difficult finding a parking spot because there are none of them. So jump on a bus. Turjay is the man behind this event, and his closest friend is the environment. It's 100% green, not black, because tack is on the green track. We represent a whole generation. The Arctic Challenge is a green sensation. I know a lot of you are planning on taking the car, but we don't have any parking spots, so that would be hard. So leave your car at home and come have some fun. The only way to get here is with Bus 41. Jump on the bus 41. Jump on the bus 41. Only way to get there, jump on a bus. Bring the good mood, have some organic food. We can conclude that the Oakley Arctic Challenge will be smooth. Ooh, so fresh and so clean. That's because the challenge is super green. We're recycling the trash all day. Be nice with the nature and you'll have it your way. Jump on the bus 41. Jump on the bus 41. Only way to get there, jump on a bus. Another way to get there is by taking tube number 2 to the off. From there will go dedicated buses to the Oakley Arctic Challenge.